Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss what makes you happier. Happiness comes from within. It's mostly due to internal factors. Realize the roots of a happy and meaningful life. I've undergone online courses on science of happiness through GGSC as well as Coursera, ISB Hyderabad, EDX, and many other online courses, which I felt to be always worth sharing. So, what are the basic ingredients, or what are the basic norms, or what are the basic things that can help you to be happy? First thing, you must define what happiness means to you. How you remain very happy, know your inner desires well. Helpful, happy social environment and social connections are very important. Meeting friends and neighbors. Understand the role of strong social relationships to add to happiness. Good physical health, absence of illness are also very important to remain fit. Remember good days, recall moments of happiness, talk to friends. Number 5, goal setting activity. Set your goals and try for goal achievement. Goal achievement gives you enough happiness that is getting eudaimonic satisfaction. Traveling to new places, experiences awesome nature of beauty adds to your happiness. Enjoying financial freedom also add to happiness. Enjoying human rights, that is freedom of speech, fundamental rights for protection of health and property, assertiveness, positive attitude towards life, be kind to others, helping all living beings, being grateful to get help, maintain a journal for gratefulness, practicing forgiveness, forgive others to be peaceful, it impacts you more. Let go of disturbing past which hurts your mind. Accept unhappy moments are also part of life, it happens with many people. Find the silver lining. Think after every sad situation. Time changes to favorable. Nothing remains static. Remaining engaged in productive pursuits, enjoying flow also gives a lot of happiness. Strong mental health, being energetic and enthusiastic to start new projects. Success and prosperity brings happiness. There is strong relationship amongst health, happiness and prosperity. Conducive environment and climatic conditions also add to happiness. Social recognition is a crucial factor in inciting happiness. So these factors, keep in mind, each one is very important and deserves a lot of your attention. Practicing charity, philanthropic activity fills mind with great satisfaction. So practice charity. Read good books and improve your awareness on what takes away your happiness sources and what strengthens your happy mood. So both positive and negative sides must be known. Be optimistic and positive minded. Remove your negative thoughts by replacing it with positive ones. Avoid overthinking. Learn how to cope with negative stress. Have faith on God and practice spirituality. Try to neglect small distractions. See the bigger picture. Savoring life's joys. Even the small incidents, happy incidents can make you happy. Always smile, laugh a lot, Love by heart. More you can love, the better it is for you, the more you will be happy. Eat well. Enjoy taste of your food by heart and head. At times, the food what you like most gives you enough happiness. When you eat with a good mind, not that emotional eating. So eat well and be happy. Exercise well. More you are flexible, more you are happy, remaining active. Sleep well. Rest, relaxation and sleep are required to keep you calm and quiet and happy. Do yoga. Practice some good postures. Breathe deeply. Practice meditation and stay mindful. Live with your values. Character strength and virtues bring home happiness and it is sustainable. Spare only that amount of time which is very much required for social media. Do not remain engaged in endless browsing. Be smart to meet and greet people. Dress well. Have a charismatic personality. Enjoy fashion and style. And love changing yourself with time. Do not blame others. Do not complain often against others. Think everyone is not always correct. Give more, take less. Enjoy giving. Look for something positive when you confront with obstacles. Try to be in your best self. Try to do at least one activity every day what you enjoy doing by heart. Be self-confident. Slowly improve upon your weaknesses. Happiness comes from within. Have more fun activities. Be surrounded with positive-minded people often. Remain more engaged in community service as and when you get scope. You feel happy when you serve for others. Get engaged with head, heart and soul. Know your passion. Enjoy doing your tasks passionately. You will enjoy working. See the half-filled glass, upper portion being filled with air and not empty. Change your mindset. Focus on your thoughts. Thoughts propel you to action. Action makes your habit. And you should be unconsciously happy. Do not be too much attached to money. Purpose of earning money is to keep you happy. Happiness is most important. If you are so smart, why you are not happy? Why you are not so happy? Go through online courses as I told you like Coursera, edX, Udemy and improve upon your understanding. Know the Buddhist path of happiness, which are more clear and categorical. Practice their good preaching. Enjoy happiness in abundance. Enjoy some quiet time each day. Read good magazines like Greater Good magazine, Brahma Kumari's short books, Art of Happiness, Dalai Lama's book. Think failures ultimately equal success. Resourcefulness of failures are more. So don't be unhappy being failure. Appreciate your life. You may not get this life again. And it is limited for some years only, which also vary from person to person. So enjoy every moment. Learn art of patience and be more tolerant. Learn from great epics like Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bible and from all other different religions, which are equally empathetic to all living beings. Learn from great concepts of Bhagavad Gita, Ikigai, Hage, books written by Martin Seligman, Dalai Lama, Richard Layard, Rhonda Byrne, Sean Anker, and others like that. Happiness is linked to doing something bigger than yourself. Happiness is not only related to hereditary factors, but also situational ones. as well as regular routine activities. So take care of your daily activities to transform your lives. Be happy. Thank you.